Okay, so first to see that. What is mean by light? Anyone? Nandana?
Ma'am,
Tell me, what is
ma'am,
the point
light is,
about light?
ma'am, it is a form of energy, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, source of light is sun. Ma'am,
Sorry.
Ma'am,
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 Yeah, Kanna, yeah, I'm there. Okay, some network issues is there. Okay, so now it's clear. My voice is audible now.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, very good. Only one point is there, Nandana, for light.
and source of light is sun.
Source of light is sun. Okay, then.
Ma'am, rectilinear propagation of light, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Rectilinear propagation of light. Then your mic is off, Nandana. Ah,
ma'am, light travels faster than sound, ma'am.
yeah, very good. Light travels faster than the sound. Okay, Rahul, what's your point?
Speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second.
Very good. The speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Very good. So all are known that values of 1. Okay, what is the property of light? So these are all the property of light. And one more thing is there also there now. So property of light is reflection.
Rectilinear propagation,
Yeah, rectilinear
Ref-
propagation. Okay. So in this case of
refraction,
reflection and another one is
refraction, ma'am.
yes, refraction. Okay. These two are the geometrical properties of light. Okay. Reflection and refraction, these two are the geometrical properties of light. Okay.
ma'am.
Geometrical.
Today light is chapter, ma'am.
Yes, Kana, light. Okay.
Yes.
So last class itself, I just introduced the concept of light, and light is the form of energy, various forms of energy. And what and all the light? So that is the luminous object and non-luminous object. That is the source of light is artificial source are there and man-made source are there. Na? So these and all the basic concepts of light. So that and all we already seen in previous class itself. Yes.
Yes,
So now
ma'am.
we can go with the somewhat introduction about the light. Okay. So that is the reflection and the refraction. Okay. In this class, we can able to see these two one. Okay. So all of you know about the reflection. Yes. Reflection means what? Where it is reflected light. Hmm.
Ma'am?
Atulyan, tell me where the light is reflected.
A mirror.
Mirror. Very good. Okay. So for the reflection, we want one object. That object is called as a mirror. Yes. So from that mirror only the light will get reflect. So what is meant by mirror now? Mirror means what and what type of object it is?
It is a transparent object.
It is a transparent. Oh my God. Mirror is a transparent.
A mirror is not
Opaque.
opaque. Sir.
Mirror is a opaque material. Okay. If it is transparent means what happened, Kana? That light will transmit into that object and it is going through the another side also. Yes. It is not getting reflected. So where the reflection has happened means, okay, it is the side. So one side is, what happened? This is, it is what? This is the side of what? It is the side of,
Mirror, ma'am.
it is the mirror, Kana. So mirror, the back side of the mirror is what?
It is also.
It is not a mirror, okay? It is non-reflecting surface,
No.
okay? It is non-reflecting surface. In this surface, there is no any reflection is happened, okay? But in front of the one, the light is fall on this one means this light is reflected, okay? It does not move into the mirror, okay? So the back side of the mirror is what? It is the non-reflecting surface, okay? Vijay, why are you late?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Network connections. Okay, I think there are some thunder and heavy rain is possible, okay? So please be back in my class, okay? If you are having any network issues and me also having some network issues, so please don't mind it, okay? If you are having any network issues, please stay back, okay? Okay, so please see to that the mirror is what? It is made up of glass. The mirror is made up of glass in only one side, okay? In one side. Back side is, what is the back side? Back side of the mirror is what?
Non-reflecting surface.
Yeah, backside is it's a non-reflecting surface. It does not contain any glass. Okay, it does not contain any glasses. Okay, so by using this mirror only we can get the reflection. Okay, so first we can able to see the reflection term. What is the definition of the reflection in last class?
Bouncing back of light.
Yes, correct. Bouncing back of light is known as the reflection. Okay, so all of you completed this one. Shall I erase this? All of you please complete this notes.
Completed.
Completed? Okay. So in this reflection, by using the mirror only, we can get the reflection. And this reflection also having two types. What is the type of reflection? Do you know the types? Vijay, Nandana, Rahul, Atulyan. Do you know the types? Types of reflection? How many types are there? No. Okay. So I am telling there are two types. Okay. Only two
Real
types
image
are
and
there.
virtual image.
That is the types of image.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is the types of image, real image and virtual image. Now, I'm going to take about reflection. Okay. In this reflection itself, there are two types is there. Okay. One is regular reflection. Okay. Another one is irregular. Another one is irregular reflection. Okay. So in reflection, there are two types of reflections are there. One is what? What is the first one?
Regular.
Regular. Okay. So Nandana, please on your mic at any time. Okay. Don't off that mic. It is not used in my class. Okay. So don't off your mic because we all discussing at each and every point. So if you're telling any points means I can't able to hear your voice because your mic is off. Okay. Rahul, you and all. Okay. Yes. So what is the second type of reflection?
Irregular.
It is irregular. Okay. It is irregular reflection. Very good. So now you can able to see the regular and irregular reflection. Okay. So for that regular reflection, here you have a one mirror. Okay. Please consider this is a one mirror. I am writing this is the mirror. So it is the surface of reflection and this is the surface of non-reflecting surface. Okay. Whenever I am drawing this strikes, this is the incident, that is the representation of non-reflecting surface. Okay. The other one is known as the reflecting one. So now the one light is passes. Okay. I am just doing the different color. One light is passes and hit it in this mirror. And what happened here? The point of incidence. Okay. Where the incident light is fixed, that is the points of incident. Again, it is reflected. Okay. In last class itself, I already told that now incident ray, reflected ray, point of incidence. So here it is the IR. IR means what? It is a incident ray.
Incident ray.
Yes. Incident ray. RR means?
Reflected ray.
Yeah, very good. It is a reflected ray. Okay. It is not a refracted ray. It is a reflected ray. Okay. So I'm just drawing one dot in this normal to the point of incident. What is the point of incident? Points of incidence means this is the point, okay, where the incident light is getting this point, okay. This is the point is that is known as the P, okay. So that is the P is known as the point of incidence. So please all of you write all the points in this diagram. Point of incidence, and it is N. Capital N is nothing but normal. Normal means what? It is a 90 degree. Normal means it is a 90 degree. Can you able to see? So the N and the angle, the angle is 90 degree. Yes, the angle is 90 degree. So that we called it as a normal. Okay. So that we called it as a normal. So all of you understand this one? This is the law of reflection. Yes. So last class itself we saw the law of reflection now. So theta I and theta R. What is the theta I and theta R? Theta I and theta R.
Angle of incident, angle of reflection.
Yes, very good. Okay. Theta I and theta R is, theta I means angle of incidence. It is 40 degree means theta R is equal to what?
40 degree.
It is the same. Okay. Because this is the law of reflection. Theta I will be equal to theta R. Okay. This is the law of reflection. If it is 40 means this is also 40. If it is 30 means this is also 30. Okay. So there is no variation of angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So where it is applicable only in regular reflection. It is applicable only in regular reflection. Okay. In irregular reflection, the angles are changed. Okay. In irregular reflection, the angles are, it is not equal. Okay. Please all of you understand the law of reflection is only applicable for regular reflection. Okay. If the reflection is irregular means the law of reflection is not valid. Okay. Not valid means what? The angle of incidence is not equal to angle of reflection. Okay. So all of you completed this page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So shall I
ma'am.
rub this one? Rahul, Atulya and Vijay, Nandana, all of you? Yes. Okay. So now we can able to see about the regular and irregular reflection. Okay. So I am just writing about the first regular, and irregular is you only tell this. Okay. I am just writing the points of regular and you can able to tell the irregular. Okay. So the first point of regular is, what is this means?
Ma'am, theta.
Ma'am.
So when parallel rays or light falling, so this is the mirror and it is a non-reflecting surface. And the upper side is, it's a reflecting surface. Okay. It's a reflecting surface. So once the light is falling, okay. Once the light is falling on this mirror, what happened? The reflection. Okay. Not only one single rays. There are so many rays are there. Okay. So I'm just drawing the so many rays like this. So all of you please able to draw this one. So I am using my tool to draw this one. You can use your scale and pencil. Okay. So similarly, in this one, can you see the regular reflection? That is one parallel rays. Yes. So here I am just indicating the direction. It is also incoming. It is also incoming. It is also incoming. So these incident rays are parallel. Parallel means what? Whether it is parallel or what? Parallel means what, Kanna? Parallel and
And they
perpendicular.
are standing opposite to each other.
Okay, so this is
this
A
is
and
parallel.
this is B. If it is parallel, so it is A and it is B means it is perpendicular. Okay, it is perpendicular. Okay, so in this case, it is a parallel means this is also the ray A, B, C means the A, B, C rays are parallel. Yes or no? And the outcome of the A dash, B dash, and C dash. These are all the parallel. Yes, the outcome, incident ray and the reflected ray, all are in parallel. Yes or no? All are in parallel. So this is the first one. So the second point of the regular reflection. Second point is, it is also called as the specular reflection. Okay. The another name for regular reflection is specular. Specular reflection. And the third point is, it leads to an formation of an image. Okay. Leads to form an image. Okay. So by getting the parallel rays only, we can able to see the clear image. Otherwise, we can't see the clear image. Okay. Do you understand? So if the rays are coming parallel and the incident and the outgoing rays are parallel means, then only we can able to see the clear image. Otherwise, what happen? We cannot see the clear image. The image will be blurred. Okay. You already know now, whenever you come from the dark room. Okay. So you are inside the theater. Okay. So suddenly you came out from the theater means you can't see the objects in clear. Yes or no? You can't see the objects in clear. Yeah, tell me.
No, sometimes it happen, ma'am.
Yeah, sometimes. Okay. Me also it is happened for many times. For me also it is happening because when you are in the room of dark room or when you are in the room of bright room, so just come out from the dark or bright room, what happened? We cannot see the objects clearly for a second. Okay. So in that particular seconds, what happened? The rays are not parallel. Okay. The rays are not parallel. So the rays are, it is
Irregular.
unparallel. Okay. Yeah, irregular. Okay. The rays are not parallel. It is irregular or unparallel. Okay. So that only we cannot able to see the clear image. But once the rays are parallel, we can see the clear image. Okay. So it is the leads to form an image. Okay. So the example, for example is what? Example is the image formed by mirror. Plane mirror. Image formed by plane mirror. Okay. So what are the image formed by plane mirror? Your face also you can see now. Daily you can see your face by using the plane mirror. Okay. Yeah. So that is the best example for the regular reflection. Okay. Now can you able to say the irregular reflection?
Ma'am, it does
There are
not
4
lead to.
points.
The rays are not parallel.
Okay. Rays are not parallel. Okay.
Ma'am, it
Vijay
does
tells
not
the
lead
first
to
point.
form an image.
Okay. Atulyan tells the second point. And Nandana?
Ma'am, image is formed by other type of mirror,
Other type means?
convex and concave mirror.
That also parallel. Okay. Plane mirror, convex, concave, we can able to see the image. But where the rays are not clear and where the mirror, okay. If the mirror is, okay, you can see this surface is there now. This surface only, it is a reflecting surface, yes. So the reflecting surface is smooth. Smooth and the
Ma'am, by
polished
lens,
one. Yes, tell me, Kanna.
image formed by lens, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Okay. Image formed by lens. So in lens, there are, that is not a smooth and polished one. Okay. And you can able to see, you can able to give one paper. Paper is also not smooth and polished. Yes. So wherever we get the image means, we get the image and the surface will be smooth and polished. Okay. If the surface will be smooth and polished means we can get the regular reflection. Okay. Otherwise, we can able to get the irregular reflection only. Okay. Very good. So the first point is what? It is not parallel. Not parallel means how can we draw the diagram? How can we draw the diagram?
Ma'am, one side will be like the first one, ma'am. The second line will be straight or side something.
Yeah, very good. Okay, it is a mirror. So all of you please draw this one. It is a mirror and this is the smooth. It is not a smooth one. Okay, so it is not a smooth one. So what happened means it is given like this one. Can you able to see? So sometimes the road is not also clean. Tell me, Kanna.
Ma'am, whether the reflection of light depends on smoothness of mirror.
Yes, Kanna. The reflection is depends only on the smoothness of the surface only. Okay.
Okay.
So that only I am drawing like this. Can you able to see the drawings?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the surfacing, the reflecting surface is not smooth. Okay. It look like a road. So nowadays the road is also not smooth. Yes. The road is also not smooth. So similarly, it will happen like this. So you can draw some surface like this. Okay. In the surface, what happened? The incident rays is hidden. Okay. Incident rays is hidden here. Then what happened? It just give the direction in this another way. Okay. If you draw the normal for this diagram, what is the normal? It is the normal. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the normal. But here you can see the
Different
incident
angles.
angle and the reflection angle is
Same.
whether it is same or what.
No, ma'am.
It
It's
is
different.
not.
It is differ. Okay. The angle of incidence is very, very small, but the angle of reflection is very, very high. So it is not a equal one. Angle of incidence is not a equivalent of angle of reflection. Here also another ray I am drawing. Okay. I am drawing another ray. You can able to see one. So one ray is hit here and what happened? Wait. Is hit and it is go for this direction. So here also the point of incidence is what? The point of incidence is here it is the point of incidence. Okay. Here it is the point of incidence. So here it is normal. It is very, very short. Okay. Here the angle of incidence is, it is not. It is angle of incidence is. Incidence is greater than the angle of reflection. Okay. So that it is not a parallel one. I'm drawing so many diagrams. Okay. So many rays. Can you able to see this one? This is not a parallel diagrams. Can you able to see? So compared to the pictures from the regular and irregular one. What happened now? The regular is a parallel rays. It contains the parallel incident rays and parallel reflected rays. But in this case of irregular reflection, the incident ray and the reflected ray both are not in parallel. Yes or no? Both are not in parallel. Very good. And what is the second point? Then another name. What is the another name of this one? Can you able to find out the next another name? So I will tell, okay. The another name for this diffused reflection. Diffused reflection. Because all the rays and all the incoming and outgoings are diffused. Diffused means ellame vandu polarization artham, okay. So here it is diffused reflection. It is called a diffused reflection. And it leads to form a blur image, okay. It leads to form a blur image, okay. Or it can able to provide the different objects present in our environment, okay. Different objects. We can able to see the different objects and it is not in clear, okay. It produces the blur image. Or we can see the different objects. And the last point is example is
Lens.
the image formed by
Lens.
paper,
Lens.
lens, and paper, wall. Okay. Wherever the surface is not smooth. Okay. Please see that. In this case, the surface of the lens is smooth or what? Surface of the lens is smooth or what? You are all wearing the lens. I am wearing the lens, but my surface of the lens is very, very smooth only.
And that is because we eyeglasses are only made for seeing clearly.
Hmm. Okay, so the lens is not an answer. So wherever the surface is not smooth. அதுக்கு என்ன example சொல்றீங்க? What is the example for that? Wherever the surface is not smooth. So sometimes the wall and all there na. Wall எல்லாம் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா சில walls எல்லாம் ஸ்மூத்தாவே இருக்காது. ரொம்ப ரஃபா இருக்கும். Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Nowadays the wall are painted in new type. Okay. அது என்ன இருக்கும்? ரொம்ப டாட்டா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? புள்ளி புள்ளியா இருக்கும்ல walls எல்லாமே. Walls is not smoothed. Okay. அது தொட்டு பார்த்தால எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஏதோ நம்ம சாண்ட்ல போய் கை வச்ச மாதிரியே இருக்கும் walls எல்லாம். That is the new type of wall. Yes. So in that wall itself. Yeah. Yes. Very good. Similarly, whenever the surface is not clear, okay, the surface is not smooth and not polished one, we can get the irregular reflection. Okay. This is the difference between the regular and irregular. It is okay to you, all of you? All of you understand the concepts?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Okay, next, luminous and non-luminous. What is mean by luminous and non-luminous?
And luminous objects gives light.
It can produce light.
Luminous?
Or objects
which
which
can
can produce light.
Okay, non-luminous means?
No, objects which
They won't.
cannot produce light.
But it just reflect the light from the others. Yes?
Yes.
It's not like
Okay, so what is the another name of non-luminous? What is the other name of non-luminous objects? Non-luminous objects. Luminous is there, it will produce the light their own. What is the another name of? Shall I rough this one, all of you? Rahul, Nandana, Atulya, and Vijay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nandana, it's clear? Okay, all of you finished it now?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the another name of non-luminous, it is also called illuminated. Illuminated objects. Okay. Illuminated objects means what? It does not produce the
Yes, light.
own light, but it just attracts that is, it just absorbs the light from the others and it just reflect. Okay. Okay. Shall we go for the plane mirror now? Okay. So just to see about the plane mirror. Okay. So what are all the properties are there? Plane mirror. In this plane mirror, you can able to see here one object is there. Okay. One person or one object. And here I am just giving one plane mirror. Here I am just giving one plane mirror. Okay. So it is the back side of the mirror. It is non-reflecting surface. The front surface only the reflecting surface. Okay. And what happened? The man is there. Okay. Here the man is one object. Okay. So this is the distance between the man and the mirror. It is the plane mirror, Kanna. Please draw this diagram. It is the plane mirror. And the distance between the object. Okay. The man is nothing but object. Now the man is the object. Okay. Do you understand one? So நம்ம எல்லாருமே நம்ம face பார்ப்போம் இல்லையா? Early morning or whenever you want to see your face, you go for in front of the mirror. Yes. So similarly, here also one man is standing in front of the mirror, and that man is look like the object. Okay. And here one plane mirror is there. So the distance between the object and the mirror is nothing but u. Okay. I am giving one symbol u. It is known as the object distance. Object distance. Okay. U is what? What is the meaning of u now?
Object distance.
Yes. U is the object distance. Okay. So now the height of the person. Height எவ்வளவு வச்சுக்கலாம்? What is the height? Overall
150 centimeters.
tall? 150. Oh, you are in the centimeter of 150 centimeter. Yes.
No, not me, ma'am. I just says
Oh, you just say it is the height. Okay.
yes.
So height of the object, you can say it is h naught. Okay. H naught means height of the object. Okay. Height of the object is known as the h0, okay, or h0. So it is taken as 130 centimeter, okay. You just take it as a 130 centimeter because one man is in the height of 130 centimeter, okay. 130 centimeter means how many meter?
1.3 meter.
1.3.
3.
Very good. 1.3 meter, okay. It's clear? Now, where the image is formed? Do you know where the image is formed? Whether the image is also in front of the mirror or back side of the mirror it is formed.
Backside.
Back side.
Yes, correct. Back side, okay. So back side, the image is formed, but one condition is there, okay. So it is the u now. U means what? It is the object distance. So it will be equal to 10 centimeter. You just take it as a 10 centimeter. The same 10 centimeter, okay. I think it is the same distance, yes. So it is the V.
Twice more.
No, it is not twice. It is the same. It is also 10 centimeter. V is for object distance.
No, ma'am,
Sorry,
total
image distance. Total distance. That is the object to image. It is at 20 centimeter. Okay. So V for image distance. Please, all of you write this one, Kanna. U for object distance. V for image distance. So image distance also the same distance of the object. It is also 10. And here it is also the same height. Height of the object is also, height of the image is also HI. Okay. HI means what? Height of the image. It is also what? It is also same or what?
Same.
It is
Same.
also same. Very good. 1.3 meter. Okay. It is also same. So it is the image. So the image is formed backside of the mirror. Please understand the image is formed backside of the mirror. And what is the property? The object distance and image distance both are same. That is, what is the point? I'm just writing the point. That is the important point. U will be equal to V. Okay. U is what? Object distance will be equal to image distance. HI will be equal to H0. That is image height and the object height will be equal to 0. See, same. And what is the next point? The next point is, it is, what is the type of image we got? Whether it is real and virtual.
Erect.
Erect image. Virtual, okay. So the type of image is virtual and erect. Erect means what, Kanna? What is meant by erect?
And it will be clear. Same.
Rahul is there?
Ma'am,
1 minute.
erect means
Ah,
straight,
okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. Erect means upright position, okay. You are standing means the same standing position is there, okay. That is not inverted image is applicable, okay. Erect means that is the same position. Virtual means what? Virtual.
Virtual means image formed by the mirror.
Image formed behind the mirror, okay. That is the virtual image, okay. Image formed behind the mirror. So here also the image formed behind the mirror only. Now behind means where? Behind means here it is the mirror. So it is the behind the mirror, okay. And it is the in front. It is the in front of the mirror. It is the behind the mirror. So the image is formed behind the mirror, okay. So that's why it is called as the virtual and it is erect. So this type of image can be obtained on screen or what? Virtual image can be obtained on a screen. Atulyan, Rahul, Vijay,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Oh
Yes,
my
ma'am.
God. Okay, yes ma'am na எனக்கு ஒரு இது சொல்லுங்க. இப்போ உங்களோட ஃபேஸ் வந்து நீங்க மிரர்ல பாக்குறீங்க. எஸ்?
Mirror or screen,
நல்லா
ma'am?
திங்க் பண்ணுங்க. நல்லா திங்க் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே? உங்களோட ஃபேஸ் வந்து நீங்க மிரர்ல பாக்குறீங்க. அந்த மிரர்ல தெரியுற உங்களோட ஃபேஸ வந்து நீங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல அப்படியே கொண்டு போய் காட்ட முடியுமா? Can you do this?
Ma'am, I thought when displayed on screen using lens, ma'am.
Screen. Screen means what? It is a wall. Wall is also used as a screen or it is a real screen.
Okay.
Can you obtain this virtual image on the screen?
No.
No, ma'am.
Virtual image means your face, okay? You can able to see your face by using the plane mirror, yes? So plane mirror la unga face வந்து நீங்க எதுல பாக்குறீங்க? Mirror அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு screen-ஆ?
No.
Is that mirror is a screen? Okay, ஒரு small mirror இருந்தா எடுங்க. Is this near to you? It's mirror.
No.
Please able to find out whether it's a small mirror is there in near to you. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. So just imagine, okay? Mirror இல்லன்னா பரவாயில்ல. Just imagine you are in front of the mirror now, okay? அப்ப எப்படி இருக்கும்? எங்க நீங்க உங்க face பாப்பீங்க?
And
Okay, just take your notebook, okay? Just take your notebook. That is, just imagine that notebook as a mirror, okay? இப்போ நீங்க வந்து நோட்புக்ல வந்து மிரர் உங்களோட ஃபேஸ பாப்பீங்களா இல்ல ஸ்கிரீன்ல போய் பாப்பீங்களா? Notebook as a mirror, okay?
And
Now notebook as a mirror.
a
You can
notebook,
able to
ma'am.
see your face inside the mirror only, yes?
Yes.
Inside the mirror only you can see your face, okay? Now where is the screen? Screen எங்க இருக்கு? Fan now. Vijay?
wall.
Then? Screen is the wall, okay? Wall is also acted as a screen.
Oh, I thought
Now
this.
where is the screen? Screenல போய் உங்களோட ஃபேஸ பாக்குறீங்களா?
No, ma'am, you can't see.
And we
No.
cannot see.
So similarly, whenever we virtual image is applied, virtual image means what? The image is formed behind the mirror. That images cannot be obtained on a screen. Okay, please all of you able to understand. Whenever the image is formed behind the screen, it cannot be obtained on, sorry, behind the mirror, it cannot be obtained on the screen. Okay. So please write, it cannot be obtained on screen. Obtained on, it cannot be obtained on screen. It's clear? Okay, can you able to tell the properties of the plane mirror now? One by one, tell me. First, Vijay.
Ma'am, the distance between the image created by the mirror and the distance between us and the mirror are same.
What is the meaning of U now? U is the distance
Object
between what?
distance. Object distance.
Object and
The image is
I am asking what is mean by U. U is the distance between what and what?
no, the object and the mirror.
Very good. U is the distance between the object and
Object
mirror.
and-
V is the distance between the mirror and the image.
And the
Okay.
image.
Now, what is the distance between object and the image? Object and the image.
Ma'am, it's the add up of the distance between the mirrors.
Yes, add up. Okay, you have to add these two images, U plus V. What is the distance
120.
between the object and image? Yes, 20
120.
centimeter. Nandana, do you understand this concept? I think you are having some network issues. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I hear heavy rain is there. Whether
here
you
also.
hear the sound of rain is or not. There also rain.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. It is thunder.
Ma'am, the nature is roaring.
Yeah, it is also thundering. Okay, I'm
Yes,
just
here.
afraid of thundering. Okay, I'm also having some fear to hear about the thundering sounds. But what happened? I'm also one teacher. Teacher is also not set by fear itself. Okay. So only I'm taking the class. Otherwise, I just mute the class and go away from this class. Okay. If I'm a student means, if the thunder is there means I just muted the class and go out from the class. Okay. But I'm not doing like that now. So please stay back in my class. Okay. So what is that U and V? U means it's the object distance. V is the image distance. Okay. So what is the property of the plane mirror now? What are the properties of plane mirror? What
And
are
the
the
height
points?
of
Important
the-
points.
And the height of the object and the image created by the mirror are same.
Very good. So first of all, the distance between the object to mirror and image to mirror, these are all same. And next, the height of the image and height of the object, both are same. And next point is
The image which is Form it is virtual, ma'am.
Yeah, the type of image formed by plane mirror is virtual and it is erect because it is formed behind the mirror. Okay, it is formed behind the mirror and the virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. Okay, these 4 points are very important. Okay, all of you
Ma'am,
understand these 4 points? Yeah, tell me, Atulyan.
we want to, ma'am, we want to add up the U and V to get the object and the image distance, ma'am.
Yeah, I didn't understand what you tell.
No, ma'am, we want to add up the U and V to get the object to the image distance, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. If you want to find out the object and image distance, that is the distance between the object and image means we want to add these two distance, U plus V. Okay, that is 20 centimeter. And one more thing is also there. Okay, it is also not only 4 points. One more point is there. The plane mirror only gives the lateral inversion. Okay, I am just writing here. The 5th point is plane mirror. Okay, please understand the plane mirror only plane mirror only can give the lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. What is mean by lateral inversion?
Ma'am, it
The
will
sides are changed.
interchange, ma'am, the left and
Yes.
right.
Left and
Left
right.
and right will be interchanged. If you are showing your right hand, mean the mirror will showing the left hand. Okay. Similarly, the plane mirror only give the lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means that side of the right hand left is interchanged. Okay. It is all of you clear about the plane mirror? Rahul, can you able to tell the important points on plane mirror?
Image formed by a plane mirror will be exact like the real image. The same
Okay.
distance and the same height of the object will be there.
Okay.
Plane mirror can give lateral inversion.
Hmm.
Plane mirror image formed by plane mirror cannot be obtained on screen.
Okay. Very good. So all the points are over now. Now next we can able to see the reflected light can be reflected again. Okay. So all of your points are noted or you want to write these points? Atulyan, நீங்க எழுதுறீங்களா எல்லாமே?
Ma'am, finished, ma'am, really, ma'am.
Finished. Okay. Okay. Very good. So all of you finished? பார்க்க எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் நார்மலா சும்மா விளையாண்டுட்டே இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கு but all of you write it. Okay, very good. Okay, the next one is, can you able to see this one? That is reflection by reflection. So what is mean by reflection by reflection? Reflection by reflection means what? So here one mirror is there. Okay, please consider this is one mirror and this is one mirror. Okay. So here the non-reflecting surface is outward. It is also the non-reflecting surface is outward. Now, how many number of images are formed in between the parallel mirrors? Here it is A, it is B. Okay, A and B are parallel or what? Parallel arka?
Parallel.
Whether it is parallel or what? Okay. So now consider the two mirrors. Okay, two mirrors are in parallel. Okay, two mirrors are in parallel. Now, how many number of images are formed? How many number of images are formed? அதாவது முன்னாடி வந்து ஒரே ஒரு மிரர் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா ஒரு இது படும் ஓகேவா சோ ஒரு இமேஜ் கிடைக்கும் ஓகே இட் இஸ் a one object one image okay now how many object and how many sorry okay here it is one object is there so how many images are formed in between the plane mirrors?
Ma'am, infinity, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Why you are saying infinity?
Because these both will reflect and it will become
Yes.
many.
So actually இங்க இருந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம் இங்க ஒரு லைட் போகும் அந்த லைட் அகைன் இங்க போகும் அகைன் இங்க okay similarly it will get reflected okay similarly it will get reflected again and again it will reflected so there are so many number of images are formed we cannot count that image so it is the infinite number of images are formed okay infinite please able to write this point infinite number of images are formed in between two parallel mirrors. Okay. Infinite number of images are formed in between two parallel mirrors. So what happened in a trial room? How many mirrors are there in trial room?
And two mirrors.
எல்லாருமே ஷாப் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க இல்லையா? ஷாப்பிங் போயிருப்பீங்க, ட்ரையல் ரூம்க்குள்ள எல்லாம் போயிருப்பீங்க.
Two
Okay. Two. Okay, front side and back side. So it is given as some of the shop. Okay. If it is well versed shop means it will contain 3 or what is the 3? எவ்வளோ mirrors நாலும் வைப்பாங்க 3, 4, 5. Okay. That is in the room shape. Whether the room is this like, okay, this is the room square means here
all
one
the
mirror.
parallel will
That
be
side
like
one
square only.
Ma'am, in barber shop and all, in front
Yes,
and back
in
only.
barber shop and all, that 2 mirrors is there now. So if one person coming for hair cutting means, okay, he can sit here, okay, and he can able to see this mirror, but he want to see the back side of that hair. Okay, என்ன மாதிரியான மாடல்ல கட் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னு பார்க்கணும். என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? அப்படியே அந்த பேக் சைடு பார்த்தா போதும். Okay,
Yes.
he see the back side of the mirror by using this front side. முன்னாடி பார்த்தாலே தெரியும் இல்லையா, நமக்கு பேக் சைடுல ஒரு மிரர் இருக்குன்னா அதுல நம்மளோட என்ன தெரியும்? ஹேர் ஸ்டைல் தெரியும். Okay, we can able to see the back side of the hairstyle from this mirror. Okay, so this is the uses of the plane mirrors by using the reflection by reflection, that is reflected image again get reflected. Okay, reflected image again reflected by another plane mirror. Okay, similarly we can get the more number of images, we can able to produce the more number of images. So இப்போ இப்படி இருக்குன்னு வைங்க, it is not parallel, it is the mirror A, it is the mirror B. And how many number of images are formed? It is not in parallel.
One.
One. இங்க ஒரு mirror இருக்கு, இங்க ஒரு mirror
And
இருக்கு.
two.
Two. Okay. So here one ball is there. Okay. One ball is placed in between the A and B mirror. And அப்போ இந்த mirror உள்ள ஒரு image form ஆகுமா? அப்புறம் இந்த mirror உள்ள ஒரு image form ஆகும். Okay. So the total number of this 2. The 2 number of images are formed. Okay. 2 images are formed. This is perpendicular. When you are arranging the 2 mirrors in perpendicular, it will give the how many number of mirrors are stayed? It is 2 mirrors. So it will produce the 2 images only. When we are considering the parallel mirrors only, it will provide the infinite images. Do you understand? So images, அதாவது mirror வந்து parallel வச்சாதான் நமக்கு infinite images கிடைக்கும். Okay. When you are providing the mirror in perpendicular direction, it will give the only 2. Okay. How many number of mirrors used? Okay. அதை பொறுத்து தான் நமக்கு இங்க கிடைக்கும். If suppose இங்க நீங்க இப்படி வச்சிட்டீங்க, இங்கே ஒரு C அப்படின்ற மிரர் இருக்கு, அப்ப எவ்வளவு இமேஜ் கிடைக்கும்?
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, infinite plus 2. Infinite
அதென்ன
plus
infinite plus 2?
Ma'am,
What is
here
the meaning of infinite? What is the meaning of infinite plus 2? Infinite plus 2 also infinite, na?
yes, ma'am, extra 2 numbers are added now.
Oh, extra 2 numbers are added. That is also infinite. Okay. But it is not
And
an
here in
infinite.
this 2 mirrors are opposite. B and C are opposite.
B and C are there, but A is also there, na?
Ma'am, B and C will produce parallel, ma'am. So they produce infinite.
Wait. Actually, நீங்க சொல்ற concept B U C U மட்டும் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா it will produce the infinite image. Okay. But ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் நடுவுல இப்ப என்ன இருக்கு? A அப்படிங்கிற mirror இருக்கு. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? What happened?
It will be 3.
Infinity only, ma'am.
It's not infinite. Okay. So please able to find out. Okay. When we are using the Nandana, நீங்க இதுதானே சொன்னீங்க 3 mirrors are there in trial room. Yes. Okay. So please able to find out the answer. When we are using 3 mirrors in this direction A, B, C, then how many number of images are formed? Okay. This is your homework. Please find out the answer for this homework. Okay. So what is the homework? How many number of images are formed by using this 3 mirrors? Okay. A, B, C. Vijay? Yes. Whether it is infinite or what? It is not infinite now. I'm damn sure it is not infinite because one perpendicular, okay? You can see the A, mirror A is perpendicular to C and perpendicular to B also, okay? So it is not again parallel. So it does not produce the infinite. So please able to find out how many mirrors are there. See how many images are formed in this mirrors. And next, refraction. Can we go for the refraction now? Reflection and refraction, okay? And you know about the types of mirrors?
Concave and convex.
Yes. Okay. So before going to the refraction, I'm just giving the types of concave and convex, okay? So you only tell about the concave and the convex.
I don't know what is it now.
Okay, I will tell, okay? That's not a problem. So mirrors are there now. So generally, in mirror, there are two types. One is plane mirror. Okay. Plane mirror is what? The reflecting surface is plane. Okay. Plane means it is a straight line. It is a mirror. The one side is non-reflecting surface, another side is reflecting surface. The another type is spherical mirror. Another type is spherical mirror. Spherical means what?
Like a circle. Sphere.
Sphere. Very good. Okay. Spherical means it is in 2D it is a circle, in 3D it is a sphere. Okay. Very good. So it is one of the, okay, half of the one is known as the, one is concave, another one is convex. In sphere, we can able to separate and we can able to divide the sphere into two. So one is known as concave and another one is known as convex. Okay, Nandana and Vijay, which one is concave and which one is convex? First, Nandana, tell me. Here it is the side 1 and 2. Okay, I am just marking the side 1 and 2. Which one is the convex and which one is the concave, and where the reflecting surface of the mirrors are there?
Ma'am, the first one is concave, ma'am.
First one is concave.
Yes, ma'am.
Concave means the reflecting surface is inward or outward.
Inside, ma'am.
All are forgetting, huh? Okay, so I just just draw the diagram. Concave means this is the one now.
Inversely bulk.
Reflecting surface is inward. You can see it is the outward. Okay, outward is not a reflecting one. It is not reflecting surface. Inward means what? It is the inward one now. So in this inward one, the rays are coming and it just reflected. Okay, it just reflected back. Okay, so all the rays are diverging. Sorry, converging. All the rays are converging at one particular point. Okay, all the rays are converging one particular point. So in this mirror, it is known as converging mirror. Which mirror is known as converging mirror?
Concave.
Yes, concave mirror is known as the converging mirror. Atulyan, do you understand now? So mirror வந்து என்ன பண்ணும்? Outside வந்து non reflecting surface, inward வந்து reflecting surface ஆ இருக்கணும். Okay? And convex, it just opposite to that. Okay? So it is inward is not reflecting surface, but the outward is reflecting surface. So all the rays are coming from the source and it is diverted. And it is diverted. Okay? It is diverted like this. But it appears to converge in backside. It appears to converge in backside. Do you understand? So இங்க வந்து என்ன ஆகும்? Mirror ஓட left side லயே வந்து converge ஆயிரும். But inside இந்த convex என்ன ஆகும்? It is diverge. Okay, it is diverge ஆகும். Ray எல்லாமே பட்டு என்ன ஆகும்? Diverge ஆகி போயிரும். But backside of the mirror what happen? It appears to converge. It appears to converge. Okay. So here it is diverging means the what type of mirror? It is diverging mirror. It is diverging mirror. Okay. Can you able to understand? Yes. Okay. So Nandana, can you able to tell the concave and convex now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, the concave, the reflecting surface will be inward, ma'am.
Yes.
In convex, it will be outward, ma'am, diverging.
Yes. Outward. Which one is known as converging mirror and which one is known as diverging mirror?
Concave is known as converging mirror, ma'am, and convex is known as diverging mirror.
Okay, very good. And okay, so Vijay, now it's your turn. You can able to tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the concave mirrors are inwardly bulged. So it is called a converging mirror.
Okay.
And convex
And convex?
mirrors are, ma'am, guys, ma'am, convex mirrors are, it is out in the outer layer, the reflecting surface, ma'am, and it is
Okay.
called diverging mirror.
Yes,
But
very good.
in back
And now,
back of the convex mirror, it will converge.
yeah, it is appear to converge in backside of the mirror. So now I'm asking one question. In both of the mirror, which will produce the virtual image? Which will produce the virtual image? I already told that now virtual image எப்படி form ஆகும் எங்க form ஆகும்
Ma'am,
virtual image எங்க form ஆகும்
Inside
back
the
side
mirror.
of the mirror.
Back side of the mirror.
Back side of the mirror. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு மிரர்லயும் பாருங்க concave and convex எங்க back sideல நமக்கு form ஆகுது
Convex, ma'am.
நான் இங்க டாட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் பாத்தீங்களா இங்கதான் வந்து இமேஜ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் ஓகே அப்போ எங்க வந்து நமக்கு பேக் சைடுல இமேஜ் ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது the image is formed back side in convex mirror okay
Convex mirror.
so it is the type of virtual and erect. It is the type of virtual and erect okay all of you understand but here what happened in front of the mirror itself the image is formed yes in front of the mirror itself the image is formed so it is real and inverted. Real and inverted. Inverted means what? What is mean by inverted?
Opposite.
Opposite.
Yes. So it is the person is standing here means it look like the standing here. Yes. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It is the reversible process. Or otherwise, if the candle is there means the candle look like the reversible one. And it is produced the real means what? Real image means the image can be obtained on the screen. Okay. The image can be obtained on the screen in real image. But which one cannot be obtained on the screen? Which image cannot be obtained on the screen?
Virtual.
Aye. Which image cannot be obtained on the screen?
Virtual, ma'am.
Virtual. Which image can obtained on the screen? Can
Yes.
be obtained?
Real
Real.
image.
Okay. So please able to understand the difference between the real and virtual image. Okay. All are clear this one? It's clear? Okay. Now Nandana, you can tell about the first and second in this diagram. Which one is the concave and which one is the convex?
First one is convex, ma'am.
Yes, first one is convex because this is the outward is reflecting surface. Okay. The inward
Yes.
is not reflecting one. Very good. The first one is convex. And the second one is what?
Concave, ma'am.
Yes, because it is the inward is reflecting one, the outward is not reflected surface. So second one is concave. All of you understand one? So by using the spherical lens, okay, spherical mirror, we can divide the spherical into two types. One is convex, another one is concave. Okay, shall we go for the next one? All of you clear? The mirrors, types of mirror. Because by in this chapter only you can have so many questions. Okay. Next MCQ is there now. What is the last class test? I didn't ask that last class test itself.
Ma'am,
It is the maths and biology, yes?
And one
hygienic, ma'am. One minute, ma'am.
Okay. What
Ma'am,
was your
Health, hygiene and cleanliness.
okay.
Ma'am, I got
What was your mark?
66, ma'am.
66, ma'am. Okay. Vijay?
Ma'am, I got 68, ma'am, but actually 2 questions were answers given wrong.
Yeah.
Answers given wrong.
It's
Okay.
a net I searched, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. One I was having doubt, ma'am.
So I should get 70.
What is the doubt? Whether you doubt in maths or biology?
Ma'am, biology.
Biology. What is that question? Do you know that
I
question?
don't know, ma'am.
That you know. Okay. Nandana, your markers?
Ma'am, I forgot now.
Just tell me about the approximate. That is the above 60 or below 60 similarly.
Above 60
Don't
only
tell the
I
correct.
got, ma'am.
Above 70? அதுக்குள்ள மறந்துச்சா மார்க்ஸ் எடுத்தது? Okay. Why your marks is not improved? Last class itself I told na. Your marks will be improved and you got above 70 only. Yes, I told that. I told in my previous class. Yes or no? Now only all of your mic is off. Atulyan, come and off your mic in that time. Vijay? Who is this? Vijay?
Ma'am, I should get actually 70 above. The 2 questions were answers given wrong.
Oh, it is 72. Yes, I think it was
Actually.
72. But actually, in previous class itself, I already told, na, your score will be above 80 or above 70 only.
Ma'am,
Yes,
yes, ma'am, you said above 70.
above 70. But no one got above 70. What happened?
Is this?
All are in the range of 60, 66, 68.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
What? No, ma'am. Whether the maths
And-
is easy to you? Whether the maths is tough or biology is tough? Which one is tough?
No, but in biology only I got high marks.
Biology only
Biology I
high marks.
got 34, ma'am, and maths I got 32.
Okay. And Nandana, in which you got low marks? Maths or biology?
Maths only, I think so, ma'am.
Maths only. Okay, Vijay?
Ma'am, in maths I got 44.
44.
Okay.
So
But you didn't study in the
biology alone I got
biology.
24.
Okay.
Ma'am, maths
So
was
already you
question
know
was
the
no answer.
maths question, maths topic is already taught, na?
No, ma'am. In the maths, one question was given as no correct answer, like option came. Answer.
Oh, no correct answer. Okay.
Option
Okay.
key answer came.
Okay. So next time, please all of you study about that topic, okay? For all having the doubt, please contact that subject teacher, okay? If you have any doubt, please contact to that subject teacher, okay? And in next test, that was satellite is there, yes? In this week. What is the test? Satellite and combustion and flame, yes? I think that is the test. So please
Combustion
tell us
system
about the
already got
topic.
over.
Already got over means again the test is there, okay? So please able to got the good marks and I hope all of you got above 80.
80, yeah.
If it is below 80 means I definitely scold to you, okay? In Nandana, Vijay, Atulyan,
Oh, ma'am. 80, ma'am.
Yes.
80 ma'am. 80 is
Ma'am,
the toughest,
70.
ma'am. Okay, so all of you got above 70, okay? All of you got above 70, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Vijay, you and Nandana, both of you got above 80. It is only for Atulyan, it is above 70, okay? I am asking Vijay and Nandana, both of you got above 80. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
done. If it is not there in your test paper, okay, I definitely call your mother, okay? Both of you, please understand. Okay? And Atulyan, you also. If you are
Yes.
not scored above 70, the next second, I call to your mother or parent, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next one is, we can able to see that it is a periscope. What is mean by periscope? Can you able to know about periscope?
80.
Ma'am, in submarine and all be there, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Kanna.
In submarine.
Submarine. Okay.
That two
For they see inside the water, they will use tool, no, ma'am. It will be in
Yes,
Z
yes, yes.
shape,
two mirrors
Yes,
will
Nandana also
reflect.
tried to tell. Yes.
inclined position.
Yes, correct. Okay. So that same, okay. Nandana also trying to tell that same one. So I'm getting that message from Nandana. Okay. So the periscope is an instrument, okay, that used to look at the objects, not in the line of sight of the observer. Okay. So here one object is placed here. Okay. Here one object is placed here. Here one object. Okay. Here one object is there, but the person is there. Person is here is there. Okay. Person வந்து என்ன பண்றாங்க, லைன் ஆஃப் சைட்டுக்கு இங்க கிடையாது. person வந்து இந்த இடத்துல இருக்காங்க, line of sight. But the object is in the place of this. Okay. This is the place of object. But we are standing here. But what happened, by using the periscope, we can able to see the object. Yes or no? By
Yes.
using the periscope, we can able to see the object. Okay. So it is the place of object, and here the place of object is fixed here means. So I am just drawing the diagram. Okay. Please able to draw the diagram for periscope. Okay.
Ma'am, they'll
Yeah,
keep
I'm just-
that two mirrors slanting, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Yes, yes.
So
I'm
that
just drawing the
image will
periscope, Kanna.
reflect from one mirror to another and to the person's eyes, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Kana. Correct. So all of you, please draw this one. Vijay, Nandana, Rahul, Atulyan, all are there.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
had network problem.
Yeah, okay, okay. So here the mirror are there, okay. So here one mirror, okay, mirror or setting in slanting, and here, okay. Here one mirror or slanting, in the position of slanting, okay. So this is the mirror 1 and it is the mirror 2, okay. Now what happened? This is the object, okay. It is the object means, so the object, the light is fall in this one, and what happened? The light is inside, okay. The light is getting inside. The light is getting inside, okay. The light from the object getting inside, and what happened? It just reflected, okay. Atulyan now only came,
I
yes.
know suddenly something came and went off.
Yeah, okay. So please draw the straight line, Kana, okay. So the light from the object is entering to this direction, and after that it just reflected, okay. It just reflected to the another mirror, and what happened here also the reflection is happened now. So here also the reflection has happened. Here also the reflection has happened, okay. So here the person is there means we can able to see the object in the place of light, okay. So this is the periscope diagram. So here these are two mirrors. The two mirrors are in this periscope, okay. We can able to see the object in the above the sight of the line. Above the line of sight, we can able to see the objects, okay. So what is the principle of this one? So this periscope works, okay, works on the principle of
Reflection.
yes, very good. Reflection of light, okay, works on the principle of reflection of light, okay, because the mirror will give the reflection of light. So these two mirrors will give the reflection of light, so that only we can able to see the object, okay. So inside the mirror, how many, inside the periscope, how many mirrors are there?
Two, ma'am.
Two, okay. So these two mirrors inclined in the angle of what? These two mirrors inclined in the angle of what? inclined in the angle of what?
45 degree, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Okay. Inclined in the degree of 45. 45 means, please able to assume. Okay. So it is one surface and it is one perpendicular. It is 90 degree. It is 0 degree means the middle. Okay. The
Half
middle
of
is
the-
known as the 45 degree. Okay. Yes. So here also you can see this is the 45 degree and it is also 45 degree. It is slanting. Okay. So the two mirrors inclined in the angle of 45 degree. Okay. And where and all it will use, the uses of periscope is submarines and then I already told na submarine and tank. In some of the tank itself it is also used. Okay. And Vijay, you told one thing, what? Inside the sea, yes?
Ma'am, I also said the submarine.
Submarine. Okay, very good, very good. Okay. So the periscope is used in this submarine only. Okay. So these are all the periscope. All of you understand the concept of periscope now? So it is mainly due to the concept of reflection of light only. Okay. Okay. So Atulan, can you able to explain the periscope now?
Ma'am, it is used in submarine, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the two.
Tell me.
Oh no, in the first mirror, if the object is seen, ma'am.
Yes, the object light is fall from the first mirror, and from this first mirror, it will just reflect the light to the second mirror.
Second mirror.
Okay.
And
And
the
second mirror itself,
Ma'am,
after reflection of second mirror, we can able to see the object. Okay, that is through our eyepiece. Okay.
the principle is the reflection of light, ma'am.
Okay, and what is the angle between the two mirrors?
Ma'am, 45 degree.
Okay, very good. Okay, the two mirrors inclined in the angle of 45 degree. Okay, this is known as a periscope. All of you understand this one? Is clear? Okay. The next one is kaleidoscope. What does mean by kaleidoscope?
Ma'am,
It has some colors.
many shapes and pieces will be there if we rotate things. It
If
show many patterns. Now.
there are so many patterns are there, yes?
Many glasses are covered, ma'am, inside.
Yes. So please write kaleidoscope. So first one is periscope. Another one is kaleidoscope. Okay. The kaleidoscope diagram is there, but whether I can draw it or I can show one diagram. Okay. Wait. I want to show one diagram. Where is that? 1 minute, Kanna. Yes. Okay. So you can able to see this diagram now. Can able to see this one? It is a periscope, no? Yes. Yes. Can able to see the diagram? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Structure of a kaleidoscope. Okay. So here it is the one eyepiece. Okay. So this is the eyepiece. Through this eyepiece only we can able to see the kaleidoscope. Okay. This is the entering one. And the last is there now. That is the end cap. This is the end cap. End cap means the last point of this one. And the tube is there now. That is a cardboard tube. Okay. It is the brown color is known as the cardboard tube. So in this cardboard tube only we can able to fix the mirrors. Okay. There are 3 mirrors are there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It is a rectangular one. Can you able to see this rectangular one? In this one, 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are there now. 1 side, 2 side, and 3 side. Okay. It is in a, sorry, not rectangular. It is triangular. Okay. It is 1 side, 2 side, and 3 side. Okay. So there are 3 sides are there and 3 mirrors are there. Okay. So this is the kaleidoscope structure. Okay. So all of you please draw this kaleidoscope or just draw roughly. Okay.
Screenshot.
Yeah, you can take a screenshot itself. Okay. It's clear? Okay. So after this, you just noted this point. Okay. So it's a device that works on the phenomena of multiple reflections with the help of multiple mirrors. Okay. So here there are so many mirrors are there now. Here there are so many mirrors are there. So we can able to produce the so many images. Okay. So multiple reflections with the help of the multiple mirrors. So it is a device. Kaleidoscope is a, please able to write all these points. So I'm not telling these points. Okay. So that only I just give that point. So all of you please are able to write. It is a device. Kaleidoscope, it's a device. So it can be using in the phenomena of producing the multiple reflections by using the help of multiple mirrors. And it has a cylindrical structure with the 3 plane mirrors inside it. Okay. Cylindrical structure where the cylindrical structures are available?
And the cardboard.
Yes, cardboard. Okay. Cardboard only having the cylindrical structure, but it contains 3 plane mirror. Okay. It contains 3 plane mirror inside it. So நமக்கு பார்க்க வந்து எப்படி வந்து kaleidoscope வந்து spherical தானே இருக்கும், cylindrical shape தானே இருக்கும். So that cause of cylindrical shape is nothing but the cardboard one. Okay. Cardboard is in the shape of cylindrical one, but inside the cardboard there are 3 plane mirrors are there. Okay. It contains several pieces of beads, broken glasses, colorful bangles, pebbles, etc. Okay. So that only it will give so many patterns. Okay. So that only it will give so many number of patterns. So all of you please able to write the short notes of this one. Okay. Short notes, how can you write the short notes? First one is, it is working on the principle of multiple reflections using the multiple mirror. And second one, cylindrical structure and 3 plane mirror inside it. And third point is what? It contains pieces of beads, broken glass, and colorful bangles, pebbles. And fourth point is what? The observer. Observer means what? Who are all seen in this kaleidoscope, that is the observer. Okay. Observer can look into the kaleidoscope from one end and the light enters to the kaleidoscope from the other end. Okay. So nama paakrom illaya, we are also seeing that kaleidoscope by using our eye. So eyes are another eyes lay namakku light irukku. So the light entering from the first end one. Okay, that is the entering part of the kaleidoscope, and the enters to the light kaleidoscope to the from the other end. So when the light falls upon these objects in the kaleidoscope, multiple reflection of these objects are created in 3 mirrors. So in the kaleidoscope, objects irukkum. What are the objects are in this kaleidoscope?
Mirror.
What are the objects are there in kaleidoscope?
Beads, colorful bangles.
Very good. Okay.
Pebbles.
So these are all the things which we provide inside the kaleidoscope. Okay. When we look at in the kaleidoscope, what happens? The colors. Okay. That is the color of the glasses and bangles. Okay. Colorful bangles. It will provide the so many images. Why? Why it has happened so many images? Why the so many images are happening?
Multiple reflections, ma'am.
Yes, multiple reflections by using the multiple mirror. Okay, so that only we can able to see the different patterns occurred in this kaleidoscope. So this results in the formation of beautiful and colorful pattern. Okay. And since the reflection of light is not always same, the observer never sees a similar pattern in the kaleidoscope. Once you see in the one pattern, the another time if you are seeing means the same pattern is available. If the same pattern is available or what?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So first of all, I give the kaleidoscope to Vijay. Okay. Vijay can able to see one type of pattern. And the same kaleidoscope is given to Nandana. Okay. Nandana can able to see the same pattern Vijay is seen, which Vijay is seen.
No, ma'am. It will
No.
be different.
It will be different. Similarly, after that, I give to that to Atulyan. Okay. So Atulyan also can able to see the different or the same pattern.
And different.
Different. After that, I gave to Rahul. Rahul, do you get the pattern in same or different?
different.
Different only. Okay. Very good. So here we can able to get a different patterns by using the kaleidoscope. Okay. Because there are so many things are there inside the kaleidoscope. So all of you complete this points. Completed?
No, ma'am.
Wait. Okay. Please see this. This is the different pattern by using the kaleidoscope. It is nice or what? Whether it is beautiful? Yes. It's nice
Yes,
only,
ma'am.
na? Yeah.
It is
So-
used as like a toy and all it is used, ma'am.
Yeah, yes. It's used in that one. So, okay, you can write this point. Okay, I think the one more thing is there. That is the, what is that? Dispersion. All of you know about the dispersion of light. That is also one property of light. That is the geometrical property is reflection and refraction. Dispersion is another property, okay? Another property of light, that is dispersion. What is meant by dispersion? Where it is occurs?
Ma'am, when light enters a prism, ma'am.
Yes, correct. When the light enters into a prism, it will give the how many colors of light?
7, ma'am.
7. It is also called as
Diamond.
diamond.
VGR.
Aim to say diamond.
WebGR, okay? Yes, yeah. The prism is in the shape of diamond shape, okay? But the output 7 different colors is known as WebGR, okay?
Oh.
So all of that point is clear?
Rainbow color.
Yes, rainbow color. Exactly, it's called as rainbow, okay? Okay, shall we go for the next one? Rainbow now.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you completed, Rahul, Atul and Vijay? All of us are completed? Very good.
Yes,
Okay, so now we can able to see that the same one. So here, now we can able to see the sunlight. Sunlight into color light. How can we give the sunlight to color light? Okay. Sunlight is what? It is the main source of light. Yes or no? Sun is the main source. It is the main source of light. So by using the sunlight, we can able to produce the color light. Color light means 7 different color we can able to produce. Okay. We can able to produce the 7 different colors. So that process is known as the dispersion. That process is known as the dispersion. So I am just writing the simple definition of dispersion. That is the when white light. Okay, you can also write this definition. When white light entering into a glass prism, entering into a glass prism, it will give 7 different colors of light. Okay, so it is called as a dispersion. It is called as a dispersion. Okay. So what is the 7 different colors? What are the 7 different colors?
Ma'am, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange.
Orange, red.
Okay, yellow, orange, red. So the arrangement of all the colors in a one particular order. Okay, these are all the 7 colors. Okay, wow. So 7 colors நம்ம எப்படி வேணாலும் arrange பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா? We can able to arrange in 7 colors in different order. Okay. Why the violet is in first and the red is in last?
Ma'am, the
Why it is arranged in this form?
wavelengths are different for every color, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Exactly, the wavelengths differ. Okay. So here the wavelength of VibGR is 300 nanometer, and the red is it is 400. Okay, it is 400 nanometer. It is 700 nanometer. So the wavelength is increases from first to last. The wavelength is increases. Okay. So if the wavelength is, it is a very small wavelength. 400 nanometer means what, Kana? What is mean by nanometer? If it is already I told.
Smaller than millimeter, ma'am.
Smaller than millimeter.
Millimeter means, what is a milli? Milli means how many power? What is the power of milli? Minus? Yes, correct. Okay. Millimeter means you can able to write mm. It is 10 power minus 3. What is this one? Micrometer? It is a millimeter. Okay. And it is a micrometer. Micro means one symbol. Okay. You போற மாதிரி பக்கத்துல ஒரு dash பண்ணும். Okay. It is the micrometer. Micro means 10 power minus 6 meter. And nm means it is a nanometer. Nanometer. Nano means 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay. So please all of you able to write millimeter, micrometer and nanometer. So what is the wavelength of violet? It is in the range of 400 nanometer. Yes. Red color is 700 nanometer. Okay.
Ma'am, that is why when we see red color, it is so bright, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Exactly correct. Okay. We can able to see the red color in bright. Okay. So shall we go for the next one? So it is a VibGR. Okay. So arrangement of all the color in particular direction. Okay. V to R. That is violet to red. It is arranged now. So it is based upon the wavelength. Okay. It is based upon the wavelength we can able to arrange. So this arrangement is called as the spectrum. This arrangement is called as the spectrum. Okay. Spectrum means what? That is the 7 different colors in the orderly arranged. Okay. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Similarly, all the colors are arranged in a one definite order. That is known as spectrum. Okay. Because all the points and all the terms are very important. Kana, when you go, this points is there na, that is the light, dispersion. Okay. You can see, okay, one thing, your seniors are there na, 10th standard students. All the students are studies these lessons. Okay. Sunlight, dispersion, reflection, refraction. Okay. So nowadays you also learn this one. Okay. So you can able to understand what is the difference between you and the 10th standard. Okay. 10th standard also learn this one and you can also learn this one. Okay. So please able to remember these terms and this VibGR, spectrum and millimeter, micrometer, nanometer, etc. things. Okay. Okay. So shall we go for the procedure to get the color light? By using what? By using prism. Okay. By using prism only we can able to produce the natural rainbow. Okay. Sorry, artificial rainbow. Okay. All of you clear? All of your writings are finished? Rahul, Atulyan, Vijay, Nandana, all of your
Just a
writings are
minute, ma'am.
finished?
Completed.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
Yes. So the splitting of white light into 7 different colors. Okay. I'm also writing here. You can also write. Okay. The another definition is splitting of 7. Okay. Splitting of light. Splitting of light into 7 different colors. Into 7 different colors is called a dispersion. Okay. This is also one easiest definition. Splitting of light into 7 different colors. Splitting of light into 7 different colors is also called as dispersion. Okay. It's clear, all of you, Nandina, Atulyan, Vijay, Rahul? Yes. Okay. All of you written? Nandana, you written that second definition?
Ma'am, one.
Yeah, please able to write. Vijay, Rahul, all of you please write.
I'm completed.
Completed. Very good.
Complete.
So where you see the dispersion or where you see the rainbow colors, where and all you see the rainbow colors other than the prism? Other than the
Rainbow.
prism?
I mean,
Tell me.
CD.
In rainbow.
Raindrop.
Yeah, raindrops. Okay, raindrops itself, it will produce the rainbow. Okay, then
Ma'am, in CD, ma'am, that back side of CD.
yes, correct. CD, back side of the CD.
If we look on that scale, that edge thing.
Yeah, very good. In scale, okay. So by using your scale, okay,
Bubble
glass
also
scale is there now. Yeah, very good. Bubbles also, you can able to see the rainbow, okay, rainbow colors. And where others, I think soap bubbles, CDs, yes, very good. In scale, okay, by using your scale, you can able to see the sun through the scale means it is also providing some rainbow colors, okay. Atulyan, just try, okay. You can able to try by using the sunlight, okay. It will produce more and more Vibgr color, okay. Okay, so all of your writings are completed now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So now I am drawing the producing this rainbow by using the triangular one. Okay, I am just drawing the triangular prism. Okay, wait, I just use a black color. You can also draw this diagram, Kana. It is very, very easy. Okay, so here what happened? First, the white light is entering. Okay, first it is a white light. It is a white light entering to a prism. So in this prism, the base of the prism is there now. It is not reflected one. Okay, base of the prism is not reflected one, and it is this surface. It is a 1, and this is the surface 2. These two surfaces are reflecting one. Okay, so the surface, these two are reflecting one. So it is called as ABC. So AB and AC. Okay, both are reflected one. Reflecting surface. Reflecting surfaces or refracting surface. Sorry, refracting surfaces. Okay, don't write reflecting one, because if it is mirror mean if it is reflect, it is a lens now, so it is a refracting surfaces. Okay, but BC is what? It is not refracted surface. All of you understand which one is refracting surface now? Which one is refracting surface?
AB and AC.
Very good. AB and AC is refracted. Refracted means what? What is meant by refracted? Yes, bending of light from one medium to another medium. Okay, so here you can able to see it is a water tank. Water tank means it is a fish tank is there. Who are all having the fish tank? All are having the fish tank.
I've seen, ma'am, but I don't have one.
You seen? Okay, so all are seeing the fish tank.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, I am also seeing the fish tank only because I don't have any fish tank. So it is a fish tank. Okay, please see this. This is the fish tank. So inside inside only one fish is there. Okay. Okay, my fish is very, very ugly. Okay, don't consider this fish. Okay, this is one fish. Okay, here one person is there. And he is able to see the fish. Okay, where is the actual portion of the fish is there? And where he sees the fish? அதாவது நம்ம வந்து இங்க ஆக்சுவல் ஃபிஷ் வந்து இங்க தான் இருக்கு கண்ணா. ஓகே, பட் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபிஷ் எப்படி தெரியும்? எங்க தெரியும்? இட் இஸ் தி ஆக்சுவல் ஃபிஷ்.
It's in the reflecting surface. Like,
Okay, so actually here it is the rays. Okay, it is the rays, the light rays traveling from air. Okay, it is the outside of the water. What is there? It is air. So below the water, it is water. So there are two surfaces. One is air surface, another one is water surface. So the light rays are coming from air and traveling to the water. So what happened? This is the Actual fish position. It is the actual position of the fish is there. Actual position of fish. But what happened when we are seeing this one? We cannot able to refract again. Okay, we can able to see the exact this is the apparent position. Okay, this is the apparent position of the fish. So we can able to see this apparent position only. So புரியுதா நான் என்ன சொல்றேன் அப்படின்ட்டு? Do you understand what I am telling? Okay, we can able to see the fish, but we cannot able to see the actual position of the fish. Okay, we cannot able to see the actual position of the fish because the rays are refracted. Refracted means இங்க bend ஆகுது பாத்தீங்களா? Can you able to see the light இங்க வந்துட்டு இப்படி bend ஆகுது. Okay, so here the bending is happened, so we cannot see the bending of light through our eyes. So we can able to see the light, it is traveling in straight, so we can able to see it is the fish வந்து இங்கதான் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நம்ம நினைச்சுக்கிறோம். ஓகே, நம்ம நினைக்கிறது என்ன, fish வந்து மேலதான் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறோம். பட் ஆக்சுவல் பொசிஷன் என்ன, fish வந்து உள்ள இருக்கு. ஓகே, ஆக்சுவல் அதாவது அப்பேரண்ட் பொசிஷனை விட ஆக்சுவல் பொசிஷன் வந்து உள்ள இருக்கு. ஓகே, do you understand this one? அத்துல்யன், ராகுல், நந்தனா, விஜய்.
Yes, ma'am.
Fish tank வந்து இருந்தது அப்படின்னா போய் பாருங்க. ஓகே, whenever there is a chance to see the fish tank, okay, you can able to see. அதாவது நேரா நின்னு பாக்கணும். ஓகே, கீழே குனிஞ்செல்லாம் பார்க்க கூடாது. கீழே குனிஞ்சு பார்த்தா எப்படி தெரியும்? Fish tank வந்து எதுல பண்ணிருப்பாங்க? What is the material to made a fish tank?
Glass or plastic.
Glass. Okay, glass or plastic, but most of that
Glass.
it is made up of glass only. Okay, அப்ப நம்மளோட சைட் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? கிளாஸ் குள்ள இருந்து நமக்கு வாட்டர் குள்ள போகும். ஓகே, glass to water. So here also it is refracted. Okay, எங்க நீங்க பார்த்தாலுமே உங்களுக்கு வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? Position வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆயிதா தெரியும். Okay, all of you understand? This is the refraction. Example for refraction. Okay, so what happened now after refracted? இப்ப எப்படி refract ஆகும்? இப்படிதான் refract ஆகும். இப்படிதான் refract ஆகும். Okay, inside the prism it is refracted because it is the air medium, so it is a glass medium. The prism is made up of glass only, no? Prism is made up of glass, so outside of the prism it is a air. So airல இருந்து நமக்கு glassக்கு வந்து ஒரு light rays வந்து pass ஆகுதுன்னு என்ன meaning? What is the meaning of the light rays traveling from air to glass? It is a refracted. Refracted means please able to understand here the bending of light is there. So if it is not bended means what happened? The light is traveling in the straight line. Yes or no?
Yes,
Bend ஆகலனா light எப்படி travel பண்ணும்? Light travels in the straight line. இப்படி தானே travel பண்ணும். But it is not traveling in the straight line. It just bended. It just bended in this one. So again, இப்ப இதுல இருந்து வெளியே போகணும். வெளியே என்ன மீடியம் இருக்கு? Again it is a air medium. So அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? Again straight போகுமா இல்ல எப்படி போகும்? Again it is bended. Okay, so bended means it will define 7 different colors. It will bended 7 different colors. Okay, so that 7 different colors is VGR. Okay, so actually here it is violet. Sorry, VADGY. Similarly it will there. So violet வந்து கீழ வரும், R வந்து மேல வரும். Okay, so please all of you draw this diagram. So violet is in the first color. Okay, violet is the first color, and after that indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Similarly all the colors are appeared. Okay, so please draw the diagram for now. All of you completed this diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Atulyan?
I'm completed, ma'am.
Completed. Can you show the diagram?
Ma'am.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. Okay, so the next class, okay, we can able to see the structure of human eye. Okay, what is the principle used in human eye? Do you know that any principle? Human eye, eyes தெரியும்ல eye. How can you see the objects? Reflection or refraction?
Reflection.
Reflection. Eye la enna mirror irka? Mirror only will get reflection.
Bending of light.
Bending of light means what is that? Bending of light is known as reflection or refraction.
Refraction.
Refraction. So the human eye, it is in the principle of refraction. Okay, human eye la enna irukku? Lens irka, mirror irka? Whether the human eye contains lens or mirror?
Lens.
lens. So all the lenses are providing the refraction only, not reflected. Okay. So that part we have to discuss in next class. Okay. So here we have to give some homework now. All of you completed the last class homework?
Yes, ma'am, I sent you, ma'am.
Yeah, I saw that your homework, Anna.
Ma'am,
I'm
you-
asking other Atulyan, Rahul, Vijay.
I
yesterday sent it,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yesterday sent it. Okay, I will check.
They-
Okay. So
I also
Rahul,
send
what
it.
you?
I also
You
send
also
it.
send it. Okay.